Welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a snack recipe named Sabudana Vada. Sabudana is widely used, especially during fasting days. This is a very quick recipe and it tastes great. It is very crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. So now let's make the recipe. We'll start by making the mixture. For this, first we will add sabudana, also known as sago. Potatoes. These are boiled, peeled and mashed potatoes. Roasted and coarsely crushed peanuts. Green chilli paste. You can also use finely chopped green chilies. Little lemon juice. Sugar. Finely chopped coriander. Grated ginger and salt. Now we'll mix well. I just want to tell you something about the sabudana. I have taken the sabudana, washed it and soaked it in water for 4 to 5 hours. Mix it really well so that the potato and the sabudana will mix well. Our mixture is now ready. Now we will start rolling the tikkis. We'll roll the tikkis into a ball and then we lightly press it to form a tikki. Make sure it's not very thick. It will not give the nice taste to this recipe. And we've also kept the oil to heat till we'll form these tikkis. We'll form again in ball and then we'll press it lightly to form a tikki. I have made 4 tikkis ready. Now we'll fry them. Make sure you do not fry too many tikkis at a time. We'll fry them till they're golden brown in color from both the sides. Make sure you always fry it when the oil is really hot, otherwise they will break. As you can see, our sabudana vada have been fried and are nice and golden in color. We'll drain them on an absorbent paper. See, they're so crispy as I told you. So now let's serve our sabudana vada. Serve these hot with curds and green chutney.
If you enjoy our recipes, click like. To see more of my recipes, click here. Please share your comments. I would love to hear them. I'm waiting for that.